Mabait.
Hello. Hello. Hello, please. Hello. Hello, please. Ladies and gentlemen. Hello.
Kuya Ricky, kastando ti tsura may YouTube. Agisong. Kitain yung tulad na dyan YouTube dan. Yan mo.
Nating salubungin ng masigabong palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrant o ang magiging ngayon na si Sir Jackson together with Sir Justin and Ma'am Charlotte Dinrawing Pérez. So once again, palakpakan naman po dyan.
So meron po once again, Sir Justin and Ma'am Charlotte together with Sir Jackson.
Okay, to start the celebration, everyone, I would like also to call on the presence of Pastor James to lead us at the opening prayer. So once again, we would like to invite everyone to please rise up para po sa ating pambungad na panalangin. Thank you so much.
So once again, request everyone to be still. And sabay-sabay po tayo manalangin po din ng Ma'am or Pastor James.
Alpasan mga Diyos, may arawit dito nagsisimbahan. Patuloy kami ng mga dayokan ka. Noon na namin kita ito yung lugar. Tapos ito yung santay. Tuloy ito yung selebrasyon. Iti panangawat ni Jackson. Iti panakabunyag na. Dawati may ngaroon iti ito yung selebrasyon ng Otong Diyos. Sapay ko mga raksak ti may paay. Iti itonggan may sakadami. Kasi danggayan may dahil yung pamilya, hindi dahil yung nakamba. Tulungan sa impetisyon ito yung nanaganap ng Ryan Jackson ng Otong Diyos. Sapay na dahil yung lubing, tumakyan kas iti kagayakan. Amin dahil kararan ng tinagay ko ng Jesus. Amen.
I'm your host, I am amazing Enzo Lorenzo na medyo shaky ang boses dahil yesterday, ayan, so dalawa po yung wedding event po namin ng ating partners. So once again, enjoy the 2 hours party celebration ng ating celebrant na si Jackson. And of course, Sir Justin, Ma'am Charlotte, maraming salamat for choosing Jollibee Narbacan to celebrate the christening party of Jackson. So once again, isang masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan. Okay, so in part of this celebration, ladies and gents, of course, later on, partner, meron tayong makakasamang special guest po natin. Kung sino yon, pagkaantabayanan po natin yan.
And of course, this is Captivating Michael, and welcome to Jollibee Narbacan to celebrate the representative party of Jackson. So, Jollibee, gusto nyo ba ng games and prizes?
Yes. Ayan, so before that, Kuya Michael, syempre later on, meron tayong langhap sarap na tinatawag kung saan meron tayong crispy juicy licious chicken joy na may kasamang Jollibee Spaghetti.
And of course, hindi makukumpleto ang crispy fries. And of course, meron din kasamang chocolate sundae.
Yes, so ngayon, hahatiin na natin sila sa dalawang grupo. So number one, ikakat po namin kayo. So we have Team A. And of course, sa side mo, Kuya Michael, ikaw naman ang Team B. Ayan, so ang hatian po natin is dito po sa gitna. So meaning to say, si ate naka-black hanggang dito ay ang Team B and the rest po is Team A. Ayan, so madali lamang po yung ating gagawin. Pag sinabi kong Happy Christening, ang isisigaw po natin ng malakas sa Team A ay ang pangalan ni Jackson.
Yes, ganun na po kasi sa Team B naman po, kapag sinabi ng Jackson, ano po yung sisigaw po natin? Yes. Happy Christening.
Yes, that's right. Ayan, so Team A, galingan po natin. Dahil ang mananalo, Kuya Michael, syempre sila ang unang kakain mamaya. Ayan. And of course, Kuya Michael, sa hindi naman papalarin at hindi malakas ang pagbigkas, meaning to say, sila ang magtutubig-tubig. So again, Sir Justin and Mama Charlotte, ayan, so kayo po ang pipili kung sino ang mas malakas ang pagsigaw. So sila po ang unang kakain. Okay, so let's do this. Team A, are you ready? Ay na! Yes, partner, to be exact, 100 heads tayo dito. So dapat yung energy po natin times 2 pang 200 dapat.
Okay, that's na times natin. So, what about Team B? Are you ready?
Ayan. Alright, tingnan natin, partner, sa ating round 1. Ayan, so again, Team A, dapat galingan po natin para manalo tayo, syempre, kasama ang host na kakain mamaya.
Ayan po, Team B, galingan po natin.
Okay, so round 1 muna tayo, Kuya Michael. Syempre, ang pipili ay tayo muna. Okay, so Team A, Happy Christening! Palakas na palakas, partner. Ayan, so sa second round natin, mas malakas pa.
Okay, Team B! Jackson!
Happy Christening!
Happy Christening!
Okay, ayan, so ito ang celebration, of course, I want to bring everyone a Merry Christmas.
Christening na lang.
Okay, ayan, so Kuya Michael, ano sa tingin ba mas malakas? Ang Team A kaya? No, bayad sa Team A or Team B?
Team A.
Yes, mas malakas po ang Team A. So, galingan pa po natin.
Wala na patupit-tupit.
Yes,
mas malakas.
Yes, speaking with mas malakas, partner, sila ang unang kakain later on. Meron silang palabok, chicken, and
wow!
Ayan, first time natin sa kids party, no, na may palabok tayo. Okay, so round 2 na po tayo, and of course, the loving parents na ang pipili kung sino ang unang kakain. So, I want to remind mom and sirs, ayan, so set aside muna natin ang mga kapatid, kamag-anak, no relatives, no friends at all. Ayan, plus 1,000 yung English natin. Okay, so kidding aside, mauna ka ng partner.
Okay, Team B! Jackson!
Happy Christening!
Yan!
So may picture ka lang, Christening. Okay, Team B! Jackson!
Christening!
Galok pa rin. Mahina.
Okay, so tingnan naman natin sa ating grupo. Alright, Team A, let's do this! With Happy Christening! Alright, Sir Justin and Ma'am Charlotte. Ayan, so sino ang unang kakain? Alright, so Sir Justin, you are the one to choose. Alright.
Which one?
Is it Team A or Team B? Alright, Team A, palakpakan naman kayo dyan. Of course, sa team A po natin, mamaya meron kayong palabo.
Palabo?
Yes, and crispy delicious chicken joy na may kasamang siyempre malamig na icy edge of rice and of course ang chocolate sundae po natin. And sa warranty po natin, we don't have ring, we have ballers, so we will use ayan, Jollibee Balloon. Ayan, so mommy and sirs. Okay, so mommy know po ang player number 1 and sir, you are player number 1. And the second player number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Ayan, so all you have to do is to listen carefully. Ayan, so ang aming bibig po ay yun po yung agwit ay inyong gagawin. And if I call player number 1, ayan, so matik, forward po tayo. And if I say, dribble, ayan, so i-dribble po natin ang balloon. And if I say, ikot, or turn, and if I say jump, or talon, ayan, so yun po yung gagawin po natin. If you hear I say, make an exhibition, kikiling po tayo gamit ang balloon. And of course, pag sinabi ko naman play the music, meaning to say, merong ipa-play siya at design the music and all you have to do is to dance, ayan, with the music. Ayan, so let's try. Ayan po yung mic na try muna tayo.
Okay, let's try. Player number 1. Player number 1. Dribble. Player number 1. Dribble. Turn around, and pass the balloon to player number 2. Number 2. Ikot. Talon. And pass player number 3. Number 3. Ikot. And pass player number 4. Number 4. Dribble. Ikot. And pass to player number 5. Number 5. Ikot. And make an exhibition.
Yes, tayo gamit ang balloon. And of course, together, who will be the winner for this game, partner? If you hear, ayan na sinabi po namin, shoot the balloon. That is the time to pop up your balloon using your card. Ayan. So again, pag narinig po ninyo ang sinabi po namin, shoot the balloon, meaning to say, it's your moment or time to pop up your balloon using your card. Ayan. And of course, partner, ang losing team natin ay meron tayong punishment and the winner ay may matatanggap na electric fan. Ayan. So, final game na po tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, our last game. And let's do this with player number 5. Number 5. To number 4. Number 4. Dribble. Ikot. And that's player number 1. Number 1. Dribble. At isang hug naman po siya. Yan, palakpakan naman po natin. Alright, and next naman we have player number 3. Number 3. Dribble. And take an execution. Kikilig po tayo gamit ang balloon. At eto na partner, player number 4.
Number 4. Dribble. Talon. And pass player number 2. So number 3. Number 3. Ikot. Dribble. Pass player number 1. Number 1. Dribble. And play the music.
Okay, so let's done with the final dance. All Ilocanos with Ish the Sicilian.
Let's dance. And Master number 5. Number 5. Dribble. Talon. And Master number 5. Number 5. Ikot. Talon. And play the music.
Alright, let's do this! Let's do this!
and play the music. Number two, ikot, and make an exhibition. Talon, and play the music. And shoot the balloon!
Shoot the balloon! So our winner is Team Players! Nandiyan natin sa wheel. Kunin mo lang electric fan para sa ating winning team. Alright, tayo dyan, no? Budget tayo. Partner, iyakas mo na ang electric fan. Alright, best friend. Ayan. So, hey, na tayo sa ating mga friends. Ayan, dito sa Squeezing Party Celebration, Nick Jackson. Okay, so once again mga Jolly Kids, isang A naman dyan kay Jolly! Okay, so ngayon, Jollibee, hanapin mo na si Jackson, ang ating celebrant ngayon. Ayan, so again, hanapin mo na ang ating celebrant na si Jackson. Yes, and how about yan nga ang ating celebrant, kaya naman, Sir Jackson. Ayan, please come forward for the picture taking together with our best friend, ang bida ng saya na si Jollibee! Alright, Sir Jackson. Ayan, so the picture muna tayo together with Jollibee. Ayan, so let us capture the best moment of Sir Jackson together with our best friend na si Jollibee. And later on, partner, syempre, family picture naman tayo dyan. Okay, so at this moment, I would like also to call on the presence of the loving father of our celebrant, Sir Justin, for our picture taking, and of course, the handsome brother. Ayan. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, the Hutchins family. Ayan. Okay, ayan, so sulitin na po natin magpa-picture. Ayan, so later on, sasayaw na po ang ating best friend. Alright, so this juncture, lahat naman po ng kamag-anak ko ni Jackson. Ayan, the Hutchins family. Ayan, mga titos, titas, mga cousin po ang ating celebrant na si Jackson. Forward na po tayo lahat for our picture taking. Everyone.
Giovanni, kayo kaya! Jamison! Awan pwede Johan man